It's your girl Kayla here, back with another video. And I'm gonna do a get ready with me. Well, not really get ready with me because I'm not going nowhere, but I'm gonna do like a everyday makeup tutorial for y'all, and just do like, you know, natural looking products on my face that I wear every day. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And we're gonna get into the video. Organized person now. I got all my makeup up in here. I don't wear a lot of makeup, first of all. And excuse my hair, I'm conditioning it right now. But I don't wear a lot of makeup, so I don't have a lot of makeup. Well, I just threw away a lot of it earlier, but yeah. So first I was in my eyebrows. Even though my eyebrows are really thick, I just like fill in the back and still conceal them, just to like make them pop more, I guess is what you can call it. So oh yeah, and a disclaimer, I'm not a beauty guru, so I'm not gonna be like, this is this size brush and from this to that. No, like if I know the name, I'm gonna say it, but if I don't know the name, then I'm not gonna say it. Okay, so I know this is Anastasia though. It's the dip brow and dark brown. And then this is the thing that it comes with, or not it comes with, but like the brush that Anastasia makes for it. But I broke it. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is just put like a little bit on my brush. Like I'm gonna really like scrape off this. I'm running out of this, but I'm just gonna like brush on the side of it and just like trace the ending of my brow with it. Now once we're done with that, y'all gonna be like, bitch, no difference. But there is a difference, trust me, sweetie. Now I'm gonna get my spoolie and like blend it and not make it look like a harsh line, even though it is a harsh line that I just did. Color I'm in this, but I'm just gonna go for like the darkest one. I don't know why people keep yelling outside my house, but I'm gonna need them to shut the fuck up because nobody wants to hear that. Okay, and we're just gonna like line under the brow with it, like right under the brow. I was gonna do a story time with this, but I can't multitask. However the fuck you say it. I can't multitask, so I guess that's not something we're gonna be doing today. And now I'm gonna get my beauty blender and blend my concealer. I'm dead. Okay, so next step after that is we're gonna conceal under. Girl, what am I doing? You're gonna conceal under your eyes now. So get your concealer again. And I'm gonna use a different concealer than the one I just put on my eyebrows because, I don't know, there's 4 concealers, so I wanna use a different one. And I'm gonna do it, I always do it in a triangle under my eyes because I used to see people do that all the time. And I want it to be like them, so yeah. Okay. And we're gonna do the same thing. And I don't wear foundation, so because my skin, I can't, I mean, I'm pretty sure I could, like, if I took the time to like go and get it matched and stuff in my skin, then I can wear foundation, but I don't want to take the time to do that. I'd rather, I don't know, not. I'd rather not. I'm just not gonna wear foundation. Okay, what do I do next? Okay, so now we're gonna go to eyeshadow. And literally, I'm the boringest person ever. Y'all gonna be like, why'd you even film this video? But like, I literally like get the color the closest to my skin tone, and then I just put on my lids. Like, we're gonna set our face, or set our concealer that we just put on our face. And y'all gonna be like, I don't care. Kayla, this is like to set your makeup, to set your foundation. You didn't put on no foundation, so why are you setting your face? We gonna act like I put on foundation, cause you know.
Keep acting like you roll, you can't live off 400 grand. I buy a lemon, chop the top off. I'm trying to drop a block off.
Sorry, please don't copyright me. I love that song. I'm gonna put y'all on right now. Drop Out by NBA YoungBoy. Go listen to it. Okay, so I'm just gonna get it and put it on my beauty blender. And y'all can't fucking see because stupid ass. Never mind, I'm not gonna call the camera stupid. But anyways, so I'm just gonna get it and put it under my eye. I don't have time for this stuff not wanting to work. I'm just gonna put it under my eye. And I put a lot under my eye because I don't wear foundation. I just wear concealer, so like, it's like, girl, I'm putting some on my head too because I'm extra and because I like it. Okay. And this is by LA Colors too. It's not even like a setting thing. It's not even like an actual like setting powder. It's just a loose powder in the shade Natural. Okay, and so we're gonna let that set for a little bit, and while we let that set, we're gonna do our eyelashes. Y'all, I lost this ring like before the summer, like in February. I lost this ring in February, and I found it today, and it was in the side of my mama's car. I almost had an emotional breakdown because like, I'm so stupid. Like, how can you be so stupid? That's me, I'm stupid. So I'm gonna be using this duo, this glue, because I don't know where my other glue is, and I want to film a video because I was bored. So I hope this glue works. Really do. Get ready with me for my senior year, like in the morning and stuff. But I don't know, like I still kind of feel like on my first day of school I want to wear leggings. I mean, not leggings, like sweats and a shirt. Like, girl, I'm not happy to be here. Why am I here? Why didn't y'all hand me my diploma in 2018? I mean, I'm supposed to graduate this year, but they could have let your girl go because I'm tired of it. But I'm thinking about it because I do have an outfit that I'm thinking about wearing on the first day of school, if I feel like being cute. I still have a week left to decide, so. Okay, let's take this off our face. We can take this powder off our face. What? You finna stay here? Okay, so I don't know eyelash glue. This video kind of a fail, but we're just gonna work with what we got. If you want to go for like a more simple look, like more subtle, then you don't have to put highlight, but I'm gonna put highlight because I like to wear highlight. Girl, I'm dead. It's trying to play me. So for the last step, we're just gonna get some clear lip gloss because clear lip gloss make everything pop. We're gonna get some clear lip gloss. girl. My hair does not like me. Not beat face, but somewhat beat face. I think this is my side. Yeah, this is definitely the side that I wear my hair.
Hey, what's up?
So we just got us a natural looking beat face. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And
Go follow me on every social media.
Bitch, you're canceled. No. Alright, bye guys.